Software Spring. Presents. How to use REGEXMATCH in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the REGEXMATCH function. Before I proceed further, here is a request. Please subscribe to this channel, if you have not already done so. Alright, let's get started with an intro to REGEXMATCH. Regex, in REGEXMATCH, stands for regular expression. A regular expression is a pattern of alphabet, digits, and/or special characters. Example of regular expression. Text. This pattern means that the text when matched should start with digit 3. The next element should be a letter in the class A to Z. Digit 5 should follow the alphabet. The dot indicates that any one character can follow the digit. The text should end with letter N. In the upcoming videos, I will discuss the other elements of a regular expression. Inputs to REGEXMATCH are text and regular expression. REGEXMATCH checks if specified text matches with a regular expression. REGEXMATCH returns true if there is a match, else it will return false. REGEXMATCH is a powerful tool for tasks like data validation. Alright, let's look at the syntax of the REGEXMATCH function formula. Text is the hard-coded string, or a cell address, which will be matched against the regular expression. Regular expression is the pattern the function uses to compare it with text. Moving forward, let's create a regular expression to match these text. Let me type the REGEXMATCH function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, R, E, G, and select REGEXMATCH. For text, click this cell, and type comma. For regular expression, type this pattern, between double quotes. Type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. Press Enter. Click the tick mark to autofill the other cells with the formula. There you go. The function has returned the results. Let's find out why the function has returned false for this text. Note that there are 2 letters. However, the pattern allows only one letter from the class A to Z. To fix this issue, let me add the plus symbol after the character class. The final formula is. The plus symbol means one or more of any character from the character class. Press Enter. Alright, the function has returned true. Quick review. REGEXMATCH checks if text matches a regular expression. A regular expression is a pattern defined using letters, digits, and/or special characters. REGEXMATCH can help in work like data validation. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.